Hi students, now we are going to discuss about how small are the particles of matter. Okay, so here matter is in three states. One is solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. Okay students, matter is in three states: solid, liquid, gas. Okay students, so here for example if we discuss about water is a matter which is in liquid state. Okay, ice is a matter which is in solid state. Okay, water vapor is a matter which is in gaseous state. Okay students, so here solid, number 2 liquid, number 3 solid, liquid, next gas. Okay, solid, liquid, gas. Matter is in three states: solid, liquid, gas. Okay students, solid state, ice is the best example for the solid state of matter. Liquid, water is the best example for the liquid state of matter. Gas is the best example for the water vapor. Water vapor is the best example for the matter which is in gaseous state. Here three states of matter is there. Okay, how small are the particles of matter? Already we discussed that ice will contain ice particles, water molecules which are in solid state, and here liquid, water molecules which are in liquid state, water molecules which are in water vapor. Okay, so here in this for example how small are the particles of matter? If we discuss about the size of the particles, for example, to make you understood how small are the particles, okay, so that we are going to discuss. For example students, here one container is here. In this container, here I am taking 18 grams mass, which is equal to 18 grams. 18 grams of water is taken. 18 grams of water. 18 grams of water. You know students, what is the meaning? Why I am taking 18 grams of water? 18 grams of water which is equal to 1 mole. Okay, 18 grams of water is called as 1 mole. Okay, so here 18 grams which is equal to 1 mole. 1 mole. Okay, so you see here all of you students, so I said to you this is water, these are all particles of the water, particles of water. Let us assume these are all particles of water, but how many particles are there? Okay, in 18 grams of water, 18 grams which is equal to 1 mole, I said you. So 18 grams of water is taken. The mass of the water is 18 grams. So 18 grams of water which is equal to 1 mole. 1 mole. So 1 mole of water will contain 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. (18 grams which is equal to 1 mole. 1 mole, in 1 mole of substance, how many particles will be there? 1 mole of matter, how many particles will be there? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. So here what is the value of this? If we do this value, what we will get? 6.023 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. Again if we do 6023 into, so here bases are equal, powers are added, so that's why 23 minus 3 20, 10 to the power of 20 we will get, 10 to the power of 20 molecules. Okay students, already you might have known very well about 10 to the power of 2 means after 1 we'll keep 2 zeros, 10 to the power of 2. 10 to the power of 3 means after 1 we'll keep 3 zeros. So for example 10 to the power of 2, that is 100, 10 to the power of 3 100,000, 10 to the power of 4, so 100,000. Okay, 10 to the power of 2, after 1 2 zeros, 10 to the power of 3, after 1 3 zeros, 10 to the power of 4, after 1 4 zeros. So same like that here 6023 into, after 1 20, 10 to the power of 20 means 20 zeros we have to put, 20 zeros. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So here 6023 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 molecules. You see students, 18 grams which is equal to 18 grams which is equal to 1 mole. 1 mole of water will contain 6023,000,000 molecules. Okay students, so here this is 1 mole of water, 1 mole of water. 1 mole of water means 18 grams of water. In this 18 grams of water, these many molecules are there. In only 18 grams of water, in 1 mole, these many molecules will be there. You can imagine how the smaller are the particles of the matter. How smaller are the particles of the matter. Very minute, very smaller. Okay, only just within 1 mole only these many particles are there na. Okay, in a quarter liter and in half liter or in 1 liter, you know how many particles will be there, you can imagine. Okay students, so that's why only in our previous example, when 10 ml of pink colored solution is added in 100 ml of water, complete 100 ml of water has been changed into pink color. It is not at all losing pink color. Why? Because still there are some particles are there. Okay, in 10 ml of colored solution also particles are there. That particles are being distributed inside the 1 liter of water of 1 liter. Okay, so that's why only 1 liter water still it will have a pink color. Okay students, so for that from that example we can conclude that that is particles are minute size particles. Those are particles are minute size particles. So next to make you understood, again I will draw the diagram for the 10 ml and 1 liter of solution, 1 liter of water. Whenever 10 ml of solution, pink colored solution, potassium permanganate plus water solution, whenever it is added to the water, what happens, that we are going to discuss.